guys, welcome back to my channel. Recently I've been to Australia, so that's why for that long period of time I haven't been uploading any videos, but right now I'm back on track, and the next video I'm going to have is actually my unboxing from Sephora. So this package just arrived today, so there are a number of items that I ordered. So right now let's unbox together. So what Sephora did is that when you order online, they will outsource the delivery to a third-party vendor, in which they will help deliver back to our doorstep. But it just so happened that the delivery guy was kind of rude. I don't know, I didn't have a good experience with the delivery guy. And in fact, the time that I selected for the delivery schedule was totally different from what he has planned for me. By right, the delivery is supposed to be today, but he kept insisting that he should deliver it yesterday, because yesterday he was like pushing me to accept the delivery yesterday when in fact I wasn't even at home. So other than that, there was few other issues with that delivery guys, like kind of a bad experience for the delivery part of it. So anyway, back to this unboxing. Let's see what we've got over here in this package. Wow, it's really nice that they've got this bubble wrap to protect everything inside and to seal everything. So let's see what we have got. Okay, what I've ordered is this Burt's Bee Intense Hydrating Day Lotion. From the review that I read, this is supposed to be a very good moisturizer that actually helps to lock in the moisture for the face or for the entire day long. And for people with oily skin, maybe this might not be the product for you, because it's meant for like dry to normal skin. In the description over here, it says intensely hydrates dry skin, and it reduces the appearance of the fine lines and wrinkles. So I thought my skin belongs to the normal range, so I'm going to try this. I'm more like a normal to dry skin. I would say the surface of my skin is kind of dry, and so I would consider myself dry to normal skin. I hope that this lotion is suitable for me. Oh, there's a sticker here. I'm supposed to, let me see. Let me cut this open and I'll show the inside of it. Okay, here we go. So this entire bottle is 50 grams or 50 ml. And yeah, it says it's supposed to be fast absorbing day lotion, so I really hope it works, and we're supposed to use it daily in the morning after cleansing. Yeah, it's funny that they say use it only in the morning. Well, use daily in the morning. Why didn't it say twice a day? Maybe it's not moisturizing enough for the night time. Oh yeah, it's because it says day lotion. So it says it's day lotion. You're not supposed to use it at the night. You see, use daily in the morning after cleansing. So please guys, don't use it at night, okay? Because it's a day lotion. Okay, got this. So this is the item that I bought, and let me show you the other one that I got from Sephora online store. It is the Time Skin Plumper. Well, actually I'm pretty excited to use this because according to the description, it seems that it's going to be like a really useful stuff. It says you're supposed to massage onto your skin and neck in the morning and evening to maximize the plumping effect. So imagine you have fine lines and you want to, you know, plump up your fine lines so that they look barely visible when you go out. So you can try to use this because it's supposed to have this plumping effect. And I think you see it says that there is hyaluronic filling spheres to smooth out your appearance of wrinkles and skin creases when sleep has left its mark. So I'm pretty excited to try this. You know, it seems like it's like a miracle serum that helps to plump up my skin immediately. I really hope it works. So how much did I pay for this? I think it's about 40 bucks. And there we go. This is how the bottle looks like. It's a total of 30 ml, which I guess can last me for about 3 months, yeah, for the face and neck. So it's a pretty nice packaging, you know. The quality of the packaging is pretty good, and yeah, let's hope it works. I've read the review, and apparently some people like it, some people think it works, and of course some don't find it suitable. So I really hope that I belong to the group that, you know, this product will work fine for me. So this is the second one, and then there you go. We have another. Wow, I'm really excited to have this. You guys have to see this. Okay, it's a really big one. It's an entire box. It's like a full set. It's like pre-packed set that comes in this box, and you have everything inside of various brands. Ta-da! It's called the Sephora Favorites Quench Your Skin. First one is actually the Clinique Moisture Surge Gel Cream, and the second one is actually the Sephora Instant Moisture Plus Cream. Third one is from Skin Inc. Pure Recovery Dew. Everything that has got to do with moisturizing of your skin. The fourth one is actually the Magic White Ice, which hydrates you morning and evening. Third one is actually, I think it's a mask, yeah. It says Skin Friendly Nano Sheet Mask from Dr. Jart. In fact, Dr. Jart is I think it's a Korean brand, and it works pretty well on Asian skin. So I'm quite excited to try this. And next we have the June Jacobs Hydrating Mist. This is something that I can bring out in my bag, and I can just spray on my face during the daytime or the evening just to hydrate my skin a bit. So I'm pretty excited to try these as well. Next we have the Ginseng Milk Smoothing Effect. So this is another lotion. I guess it's for the daytime. And this one is from Caudalie Moisturizing Sorbet. Sounds delicious. Moisturizing sorbet. Okay, I'm keen to try this as well. And last but not least, we have the Estee Lauder Micro Essence Skin's Activating Treatment Lotion. So guess how much I paid for this set? It's only about $40. About I think half the price, because at the time that I ordered, there was some promotion going on. So basically I paid half price for this entire set. So typically a set like this would have already give you a certain amount of savings compared to if you buy them individually. So that's saving part one. You know, when they package in one set, they give you some discount. And the second discount that come is when I was looking at the website and it was on sale. So it's like double discount for me. So it sounds like kind of a good deal. So I click and add them to my cart, and I just bought it like immediately on top of my two other products, the Burt's Bees and this. So I bought 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's open it and see the inside. Oh, looks like, wow, it's pretty nice packaging though. We have the mask sheet just stacking on top, and the rest are laid nicely. And we have a background graphic. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Everything is for about $40. So I think it's very, very affordable, and I think, well done. I think it's pretty much worth it. So there you go. I only bought these 3 items. However, why are there so many other things in my bag? Let me tell you why. This comes as my birthday set, like my birthday gift, because this month is my birthday and they were giving away these gifts because I'm a member, and this is the gift for me. So it's actually, I think, mascara and a lip gloss or a lip balm, I think. Let's see. There you go. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Yes, it is. It's a mascara. So we have got a small travel size mascara. And this is... oh, nice. It's like a golden glowy lipstick. Let's test it on my hand. Ooh, nice shimmer. I love the pigment. It's like bronzy color. So I don't know how this is going to work for my lip though, but I think I can put it on my eyelid though. And it should look pretty good, you know, like a bronzy eyeshadow. Can you see? So no complaints. I mean, this is a gift as part of my birthday gift. So there you go. We have this. And yeah. And what else do we have here? We have this. This is a typical beauty sample that they let me choose. So they have about 8 items to choose to come along with this bag package as part of the gift. So what I chose is this. It's actually a makeup melter, which also indirectly means that it's a makeup remover. It's 28.3 grams. That is about 30 grams. I believe this can last me for about 1 month, you know, to dissolve my makeup and remove makeup. So it's a very, very useful, you know, first aid for me. And even a good travel size to bring along when I travel. So last but not least is another gift from Sephora for purchasing a certain minimum spend and above. So let me show you what I have as my gift. Another gift here. What is this? It's a very nice, solid and heavy water bottle. Some people call it water tumbler. And it's so heavy. Look at this. I'm trying to like swing and hit it, but it only travels so much. This really goes to show it's really, really heavy, you know. And it's made of full glass, and this black color plastic, I guess it's removable, you know. Once in a while you remove the plastic and you wash the glass part of it. So this is a glass bottle, which I guess will be very much suitable for office use, but not for traveling because it's very, very heavy. There you go. A gift from Sephora. And that's it, guys. In summary, I bought this, and this beautiful set here. And the gifts that comes along includes this bottle, makeup remover at about 30 grams, and this birthday gift set. And on top of that, because this is my birthday month, I get double the points. So cheers, guys. I guess I will see you in my next video then. Bye, guys.